Around 1 week ago that I got these plants, this leaf was dying, and this leaf wasn't very happy, but it still was healthy. But after a week, we can see the plant is developing new leaf and other leaves are okay. So that's showing the plant is trying to thrive and grow, but possibly the potting mix and pot is not good enough to support the growth. So usually when you buy new plants like this one in a small pot, we need to give them time to adapt to the new place, which is in my place I put it in a bright place with indirect sunlight. Not a sign that this plant needs to change potting mix is a root system that we can hear. There are white healthy roots from the drainage holes they appear. So it's showing the root system is grown and this plant needs new home. To remove the plant from pot, just you need to squeeze pot gently. So you make distance between root and potting mix with and just gently remove the plant. Wow, look at these beautiful roots. Very healthy, happy roots. So we try to remove as much as possible of the potting mix, but it's fine if there are some potting mix remain. And usually we need to go for pots that 1 or 2 sizes bigger than the previous pot. Nice. That's a root system which is very nice and healthy. So for potting mix you can use regular potting mix, 2 portion or 3 portion and 1 portion perlite. In my case I'm using 1 portion orchid mix, keep moisture. I'm using 2 portion of the normal potting mix to provide nutrition, and I will add 1 portion perlite. Here is the 1 portion of the orchid mix to keep moisture. There's my potting mix to provide nutrition, and here's the perlite to make the drainage better for the plants. So we need to mix them very well. So I chose this bigger pot because I want to keep it in the same pot for a while. So first I will put the layer of potting mix in the bottom of pot. Always make sure choose the pot that has a proper drainage hole, because watering or watering without drainage holes will kill plant's roots and finally will kill the plant. Place plant very well. Okay, then I'll keep adding potting mix. I'm trying to keep it in the middle. And now we are done with the repotting. Just we need to remove these dead leaves and add enough water. If you think this video was useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you posted about results for this plant. And also at the last step I want just to clean the leaves and put them bright place so it could thrive and develop new beautiful leaves.